The QClick audience response system from Cuomo Height Vision allows teachers to create and administer tests with the click of a mouse and help students with increased classroom performance. The QClick system is comprised of two parts, hardware and software. The hardware has two systems currently. The QRF 300, also available as an infrared system, allows students the use of a remote control with alpha responses only. The teacher's remote control allows the teacher to pace the level of the test by controlling the PowerPoint forward and backward, allowing start and stop of the testing. The teacher can also call up a histogram, which shows how many right and how many wrong without revealing the students' names. There is even a laser pointer built into the remote control. The QRF 600 has a 6-line LCD display built right into each remote control for the teacher and the student. The teacher's remote control has a laser pointer as well, and the students can respond either with alpha or numeric in their keypad. The teacher's remote also serves as a virtual mouse, allowing complete interaction with the software being tested on. Once the receiver is plugged into your computer, the system automatically selects the proper software for your system. Once it's in place, you have a toolbar that comes up on your screen with everything you need to either create or administer a test or to look at your reports. Setting up a class is simple. We can either import the student information from an Excel spreadsheet, or you can manually go in and create a custom profile for your class. In the event that you might lose or damage one of the remote controls from the QRF 300, you can easily reset the student remote ID. The QRF 600 provides a 9-digit alphanumeric code for using as an identification. It has also an automatic class finding system. When the student registers for a class, all they need to do is go to the room and hit that button, and it will automatically find the class and the exam they are to take. The exam editor allows us to create the tests, and we can do this in a number of ways. First of all, we can take an existing PowerPoint presentation and incorporate a few bulleted slides as our questions. When we do this, and when we import the PowerPoint, it will automatically incorporate all the formats used in that PowerPoint presentation. We can also use an XML file and import that. For instance, if you're using exam view testing and you import the exam view test as an XML, once it's imported successfully into the QClick software, it's ready to go, and all of the events and the editing has been accomplished for you. We also have an auto-acquire function with the exam editor. When we do bring that PowerPoint in, it automatically acquires it, sets it up, and all you need to do is select the correct answer. You can also work within the QClick software itself by selecting the default templates, which are similar to the PowerPoint templates, and build your own customized test. With activity modes in the Quiz Genius, where we allow this teacher to administer the test, the teacher can do a roll call, can do a normal test such as a multiple choice or a true-false, can play different games like a rush and elimination test. The rush test, where a student will be the first one to hit the button, lock the other students out, and be allowed to answer that question only. We also have a freestyle activity where we can literally float our toolbar over any software, whether it be a QClick software, an Excel spreadsheet, RM Easy Teach, whatever, and be able to ask questions and record results on the spot. Students may also be given a paper test. If using the QRF 300, a display device of some sort for the class will be needed. The teacher administers the test by passing out the paper. The student responds with the appropriate answer in their clicker. No projector is needed when doing this test with the QRF 600, as the results can be seen in the LCD screen. The QRF 600 is also enabled to allow students to work at home on a test due to its flash memory. To create some excitement and interest in a test, teachers can incorporate different levels of activity throughout one test with our multi-activity mode. Different quiz formats are also afforded, whether it be just a verbal test where the students respond with their clickers, or a teacher may use an interactive whiteboard or a wireless tablet to administer the test, or any pre-made format like a PDF or a Word or Excel file. Also, we offer instant results and reporting. Using the QRF 600, the teacher can see instant feedback and answers right on their LCD screen, while with the QRF 300, hitting the histogram button, the instructor can pull up the responses to a question for the whole test or just question by question. We offer different reporting functions where we can report an activity by class, by subject, or by student, and we can show the activities and the reports in different forms, whether it be a histogram, a graph, or a table. We can export these reports in Excel and text, as well as HTML. We even allow the teacher to go in and edit the exam once it's been completed, just in case a grade needs to be changed, or perhaps the answer to a question that was considered right really is considered wrong. These are some of the different screenshots showing the query results and the different types of ways they can be displayed. For more information on Como Height Vision's QClick audience response system, please visit our website at www.cuomo.com.